Welcome to Akij Board training tutorial. Today, we're gonna see how to achieve fine lacquer finish in particle boards. If your lacquer job is great, your furniture is gonna be great for sure. Sanding is required before doing lacquer on a surface. Do sanding in perfect order. Always start sanding with 120 grit sandpaper and go up to 220 grit sandpaper. Do lacquer spray only with spray gun that is powered by compressor. Never attempt to apply lacquer with brush, cloth or by bare hands. You won't get a great finish at all. Make lacquer furniture using lacquer grade particle board. This kind of board has least pores. Thus, it requires less filler materials and less sanding. And you save both time and money. Do lacquer spray in an isolated space, or else dust is likely to get in and gather on the surface. Stains and spots might appear. Lacquer chemicals are hazardous. Keep your mask, gloves and goggles on during the lacquer jobs.